Hey everyone, I'm John Ritter, and this is my lovely assistant for today, Kara.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about something called a credit scores.
That's right, a credit score. But Kara, before we dive in, do you know what a credit score is?
Is it the amount of credit cards you have in your wallet?
Not exactly, but say, how do you know you're doing a good job in school?
By getting a good report card.
And a credit score is similar. It's like a report card for adults and how well they handle their money. The better they are at borrowing and paying money back, the higher their credit score is, or the better their report card is.
So adults are still getting report cards long after they finish school?
They sure are, and in the grown-up world, the better your report card is, or the higher your credit score is, the easier it is to borrow money for when you need it, like buying a car or buying a house.
But what if someone doesn't pay back on time?
Well, then they're probably going to have a lower credit score, so that's why it's very important to keep our promises, especially when it comes to money.
God, and our credit scores are trustworthiness report card. We should always aim for good grades.
Exactly.
Thanks, Dad, and thank you all for joining us. Remember to be trustworthy with your promises.
And for more fun facts about homes and money, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Can you imagine if our credit score was based on the number of credit cards in our wallet? Some of us would be in some real trouble. But all kidding aside, your credit score is a very important component when it comes time to get a mortgage. It's not the only component, but it's a very important component. And if you want to see a video where I did a deep dive on what kind of credit score you need in order to get a mortgage, to be approved for a mortgage, what kind of credit score do you need in order to get the best interest rate for your mortgage, we'll post a link down below to a video that we did in the past. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to subscribe and tune in for our next video. Thanks for watching.